Parentheses 2 plus 3 divided by 10 plus 6. In our parentheses, we have 2 plus 3 divided by 10. 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Then 5 divided by 10. Put it down our parentheses. Then bring down our 6 here. 5 divided by 10 will give us 0.5. Then we have 0.5 plus 6. 0.5 plus 6 will give us 6.5. 6.5 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses, which comes first. In our parentheses, we have an addition and a division. We are going to solve our division first because division comes first before addition. Our division is 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10 will give us 0.3. Then we put down our 2 here. Then we are seeing our parentheses plus 6. 2 plus 0.3 will give us 2.3. Then we have 2.3 plus 6. 2.3 plus 6 will give us 8.3. 8.3 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.